like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Look at my hair. Do you see that? Don't look too hard over here. The sacred edge drops doing what they need to do, but like not that hard, so not too much. But you see what my hair looks like right now? Would you believe me if I said I did this myself? Because I did. So I'm working with Ywigs. Once again, today's video is sponsored by them, and I am trying the viral hair trend of miracle knots. It blew up and it's literally everywhere. If you have not seen it, basically the girlies have come up with a workaround of having to actually go get your hair braided, and you are basically getting the hairstyle, the braids that we have known to come and love, but at home yourself, again, for less money. And it doesn't require as much as knowing how to do like knotless braids, something like that yourself. So I'm going to try it out as someone who, y'all know, I don't like washing my hair myself. I don't like straightening it. I don't like braiding it. I don't like curling it. No, nothing. So the fact that we got here, if you guys want to see how, let's go. Okay, so one side is done. That is what it looks like. I forgot to mention, I went ahead and braided in a piece at the bottom as well. So braided at the top, braided at the bottom, crocheted in between there. So if you're looking at this side, see how this looks a little boneless in the front right here compared to the back? The front are the pieces that I haven't done yet. You see that compared to the back? So I'm gonna go ahead and add some pieces in there and we should be done, but then I'll do like one last overlook all around just to make sure it's full to my liking and we should be good to go. Okay, so I'm actually starting out with the braids from my last hair video. I'm taking those braids out so I can reuse those parts. Yes, you heard that correctly. Listen, I'm very honest with y'all. I don't know nothing about doing hair, and parting is a reason that I shy away from trying to learn how to do braids myself. So I'll be reusing those parts. With this style, I don't think you have to have the cleanest of parts anyways. So I'm using those parts and then I'm just doing a 3-strand twist all over my head. Again, I don't think it has to be perfect or anything like that, but I am feeding one piece of crochet hair into the top of the braid, and later on I go in and feed another one at the bottom to secure the bottom. And then for the rest of my head, it is literally the same exact thing I showed you guys with the blonde braids. You're gonna take the crochet needle, you're gonna feed in one side of the braid, and then once it's secure in the middle, you're just gonna go ahead, tie a knot, and move on to the next strand of hair. And yeah, y'all, that is it for my hair. Hello. So clearly you can do a side part. Look at it, look at it. Go back to a middle part real quick. If you want to, a little half up, half down moment. Absolutely, positively, I understand why it's a viral. The fact that I could do this myself from start to finish, when y'all know I don't even like washing my hair myself. Very much so would rather pay someone else to do it. Now I did cheat a little bit by using parts that were already there, but I think that's also part of why the trend is so viral, because it's emphasizing ease. Like, I don't think you need the cleanest of parts. Like, we are used to very structured, very clean braids, right? If the parts aren't the same throughout the head, if the braids themselves are not the same throughout the head, like, we don't like that. And I feel like the part that's selling about this is that it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect braids. You know, we can all do a little 3-strand twist. It doesn't have to be perfect parts. The hair that you're feeding in is going to do a majority of the work. So you just need a little foundation and, you know, a little time, and you got a hairstyle that you can wear for a good little minute. If, you know, your braider actually cancels on you. Maybe, you know how many times I've seen story times where it's like, I'm going on vacation tomorrow, my braider canceled on me. Like, if you have the pieces, if you have the hair at home and you got some hands, you have a little lifesaver of a moment. Go on your trip, have a good little moment, and not stress about the fact that you got hey boo. So I am absolutely here for this. And the hair itself, very easy to still run my hands through. When I say this is very lightweight as well. So that's another thing. If you kind of shy away from braids because it's a lot of hair, so it makes it a little heavier on your head, so lightweight on the head, I'm loving everything about this hairstyle. If you're wondering why I didn't just, you know, braid in all the crochet pieces, with the blonde braids, I found it very easier to just cut the added hair out and then unbraid the braids. So whether, you know, you're doing the miracle knots or you had the knotless boho braids that I had in at the beginning of this video, I feel like crocheting the pieces in just made it easier to cut them out and then unbraid the hair when I was doing the takedown. But again, I'm telling you, I don't like anything about having to do my own hair. So maybe that's just a me thing. It was easier for me. And I only used 2 bundles to do this. And I feel like it's still really full. So that is it for this video. That is it for my hair. Everything you need to know will be in the description down below. Let me know if you have tried miracle knots and any other braiding styles that I need to get on, because this has been a fun ride so far. Tried the blonde, a little something new. That was my first time with 613 in my braids. Tried these miracle knots. What's next? Fulani? I still haven't tried Fulani yet. Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.